Hi, this is Narayan from Kashiv. We are an R&D company where we develop a lot of biosimilars and vaccines, and we are heading towards commercial manufacturing. This is a wonderful platform, Biopharma Workshop here for biosimilars and vaccines. I'm very impressed by all the coordination, the planning, the coordination with all the people here. And it's lovely to see all the old colleagues and all entire industry here, all the key people who are working towards infusing the ideas and innovation into India. And this will be a great platform for making this workshop successful. I wish you all the best and do well.